In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to Squarespace. A favicon is the small icon that appears in the browser tab next to your website name, and it helps make your site look more polished and recognizable. If you want your branding to feel more professional, this is a quick but important setting to update inside Squarespace. To get started, log into your Squarespace website dashboard. Once you're in the main site editor area, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps many of your website-wide options, including branding and appearance settings. If you're new to the platform, just take your time here, because a lot of useful controls are grouped in this section. After opening settings, find and click on Favicon. This will take you directly to the area where you can manage the small icon shown in browser tabs. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the correct website settings area, since Squarespace separates different parts of site management into categories. Once you're on the favicon page, click Add a Favicon. This tells Squarespace that you want to assign a custom icon to your site instead of leaving the default appearance. A custom favicon is especially helpful if you want visitors to recognize your brand more easily when they have multiple tabs open. Next, click Upload File. This will open your computer's file picker so you can select the image you want to use as your favicon. Choose the appropriate file from your device and let Squarespace upload it. For best results, use a simple, clean image that still looks clear at very small size. Favicons are tiny, so designs with too much detail can become hard to read. A logo, mark, initials, or a basic symbol usually works best. After the file is uploaded, Squarespace will apply it to your favicon settings. Depending on your browser, you may not see the change instantly, so if it doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache later. That's normal and doesn't usually mean anything went wrong. And that's all it takes to add a favicon to Squarespace. It's a very quick update, but it can make your website feel much more complete and professional. If you're continuing to customize your site, this is one of those small branding details that's definitely worth doing.